Look at the front wheels on that one.
Yeah, they look like they're about to cave in on each other.
Yeah, I like that one there with those front wheels. This guy here in the red, he's having trouble with his. There he got it going.
There's your one.
Oh, this is a big one. Man.
Likely needs to have a tractor.
Yeah. Does this guy do some barbecue while he's on the tractor? He's got his apron. Grilling up some burgers.
Look where he keeps his bottle of water. In the very back. A little red.
He can't reach it back there. He has to get off the tractor. Here's the smaller one. McCormick, they make salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Man, look at the wheels on that one.
That
That's
irrigated the crop as it went across.
Yeah, I know. It loosens up the dirt there. Yeah. That one is very small.
Crap.
Hey, that's a riding lawnmower. That doesn't count.
Oh, look at his wheels, man. That's like probably one of the first Craftsmen.
They should have brought your riding lawnmower to be in the parade.
They probably let me.
Probably.
You didn't send this to Rick.
Yeah, of course they had the lighted tractor parade there. But
Oh, we're going to get one.
when you become mayor of Loxley.
That's right.